Hello, today I'd like to do an unboxing and just an overview of this gaming keyboard. It's called Punkston. That's the model TK-87. I don't know if you can see it. So I already, removed it from the box, but I just want to show you how it looks when it comes in the box. That's the USB cable. So this one is this model comes with cable, and here are also different light options that you have. This model has RGB lights, so I'm going to connect it to my laptop just to show you how it looks. You can also install the program to manage how you want those lights to look. But overall, when you touch the buttons, as you can hear, the sound is amazing, and it's mechanical keyboard. So if you like the sound it makes, it's pretty good. Also, there's a hotkeys. In the back, it has feet that you can use, and also there's some information on the key itself, the keyboard itself. It's rather smaller than your regular office keyboard, so if you want to use it for texting, like for writing, then that might not be the best choice. But for gaming, that's really good because you can use as many keys as you like for gaming. So I'm going to connect it to my laptop and just show you how it looks. So I just connected. Just look at these lights, how the lights are playing. And then you can control yourself how you want them to be. Look at these, colors, how everything is, it's beautiful. Just going to show you. Then using the pre-installed app on your computer, you can disable the colors or change the way they are playing. So yeah, it looks amazing. Really impressed, and I like the rippling effect, as you can see. It's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. So far, it looks good. Thank you for watching.